Hello friends, welcome back to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning the basic video editing techniques in DaVinci Resolve. Only one, that is video cutting. Okay, you can simply drag and drop any videos from your folder, or you can easily use your media pool to you drag videos or any media contents to timeline. So you can see here my video starting from here. So I need to remove this part. We can simply just use like this or use this one blade mode. Just press B on your keyboard, then click here. That portion is now deleted. Then click this one, then select this clip, delete. Okay, here, and you can see here there is a small gap, so we can easily delete that gap by clicking here, cut, sorry, cut, and also cut here, then click here, then delete this one. So this is the basic thing while you are editing. If you need advanced mode, then you can simply do that. Use rip delete like this. We just you can use S key for split the videos like this. Click here, then press the key button. Okay, now we are just delete this. Then here is the gap. We need to delete like this. So it is need more time consuming while editing. So we use a shortcut method is that rip delete, like shift plus backspace for rip delete. But you can just trim left and right. For example, I split this video here and click here and just use my um, shift plus one keyboard shortcut bracket opening, just like this. So we have successfully deleted this portion. Then you can use shift plus backspace for rip delete. That's it. So in this way you can simply edit the videos like this, like trim, edit like this. And DaVinci Resolve also give you a separate page called edit. So there is a cut page. I'm not enabled that page. I'm already doing that in this editing page, so I don't need now. So in this way you can simply just trim or cut and remove some parts from your videos. Okay. Okay guys, that's it. It's a very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone or PC or Mac tutorial, just comment below. I will post replays as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.